Hey, I'm Alex. In this lesson, we're going to look at how screens slowly edge out the things kids really need. And it's sneaky. It doesn't happen all at once, it starts small. A few extra minutes here, a skipped routine there. Then, bit by bit, screens stop being a helper and start being the default. Here's what usually gets swapped. First, sleep. Bedtime slips because of one more game or one more video. Kids go to bed later, and even when the screen switches off, their brains stay wired. That leads to cranky mornings, tired kids, and more conflict. Second, play. Outdoor time and active play shrink. Bikes, sport, creative games, they all lose out to sitting still with a device. Third, connection. Meals get quieter. Car rides go from chatty to silent. Little everyday moments, like laughing together, get lost in scrolling. And fourth, boredom. Boredom may sound a little negative, but it's actually vital. It's in those I've got nothing to do moments that kids learn to be creative and inventive. But when screens fill every gap, that chance disappears. So here's the pattern. Screens swap out. Sleep, play, connection, and creativity. Not in one big moment, but little by little. This doesn't make you a bad parent. It makes you a normal parent. Every family is vulnerable to the screen swap. The good news? Once you spot the swaps, you can reverse them. And that's exactly what we'll work on in the coming lessons. Your downloadable for this lesson includes the screen swap checklist to help you spot where screens have edged in and taken control, and some examples from other families on how they have managed these issues. Next, Chloe will guide you through pressing pause, so you can calm things down and get ready for changes that stick. See you in the next one.